Hello my friends, I welcome all of you back to my southern kitchen and my cooking channel, Ellen's Homemade Delights. Today I'm going to share with all of y'all another recipe using blueberries for National Blueberry Month. I am a die-hard fan of pancakes. They're my favorite breakfast or brunch dish. I'm going to share with all of y'all some blueberry pancakes completely from scratch. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make, and as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these, and it will help you get your day started. You'll be in pancake heaven once you taste these. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more pancake recipes, check out my pancake recipes playlist and my previous video, No Churn Butter Pecan Ice Cream. I'll post the link to those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your blueberries, and get your griddle heating up sugar, because we're about to cook some blueberry pancakes magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our dry ingredients. In my large bowl and sifter, we're going to add in 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, or you can use self-rising flour. And into our flour, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of white sugar. If using self-rising flour, omit the baking powder and salt. Going to sift these together, or you can whisk them if you like. Alrighty, so now we're going to set our dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my medium bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup of buttermilk at room temperature. And this is my homemade buttermilk. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. Next, we're going to add in 1 extra large egg, also at room temperature. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And 1 teaspoon of grated lemon zest. Give our pancakes a little extra flavor. Gonna give it a quick whisk until it's well blended. Alrighty, now we're ready to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And whisk everything together until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, now it's time to add in our last ingredient, the star of the show, the blueberries. Gonna add in a 1/2 cup of fresh blueberries that I rinsed, and make sure you remove the busted ones. And fold them in. And be careful not to bust them, otherwise your pancake batter will be. And be careful not to overmix your batter. Oh, I forgot to add in one more ingredient, and that's our melted butter. I have 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. And fold this in. Smells good. Alright, as soon as I get through folding in my blueberries, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through folding in my blueberries. Now we're ready to cook our pancakes. I got my griddle nice and hot, or you can cook it in a skillet. So now I'm going to spray it with some cooking spray, or you could grease it with butter. So using my 1/4 cup measurement, just going to scoop the batter like so, and just scoop it onto the griddle. Yeah, hear that sizzle? That's what you want. Alright, so now we're going to let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Alrighty, my friends, time to flip the pancakes. Here we go. Beautiful. And now I'm going to add some butter on top. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking the rest of my pancakes, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through cooking my pancakes. I have 3 on my plate, and it smells amazing. So now there's a few more things we got to add to it. A pat of butter, some pure maple syrup, and since these are blueberry pancakes, we're going to add on some fresh blueberries. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Fresh blueberry pancakes. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Spread my butter a little bit. I like a lot of butter on my pancakes. Look at that. And look at the blueberries inside. Have a bite. Light and airy and tender. And the blueberries nice and juicy, full of flavor. These are spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Super buttery. Yum-o. Blueberry pancake-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.